Hey there, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative, and today we're going to talk about sealing up areas like this where there may be a void, where something has gone from the outside of your structure to the inside of your structure. And in this case, it's an HVAC line, but there's a big gap here where bugs and cold air and things like that can get in to your structure. So the product that we're going to use is something that I really like. It's called Duct Seal, and you can find this in most of the big box stores. And we got this one in the electrical section. It's usually like maybe down on the bottom shelf, an out of the way area or something like that. And not too expensive for what we're using it for. But one of the things that I like about it is that it remains flexible. So if for whatever reason we had to come back and take this out, we could get it back out of here fairly easy. It doesn't necessarily set up, but it seals pretty good. And I'm just going to open up my bag here the rest of the way, and I'm going to keep my bag intact to store the product in, just to keep other dirt and debris from getting in it. But when you open it up, it looks kind of like putty, or maybe even silly putty. Some of those that have ever played with silly putty may remember it. And it's it's fairly sticky. So we're going to size up the size hole that we have there, and we're just going to take off a small section of the putty. And you can break off more or get more of it as you need. And again, I'm going to keep the remaining part of the product, in its bag for storage. And we're going to take the product and just start to work it. And in this case, I'm going to make a little, like a snake, if you will, and just, work it with my fingers. And you can see how it's really pliable, and we should be able to fix it in that area fairly easy. In fact, what I may do, now that I'm looking at it, is I may take a piece and put, down below there on the bottom of this area, and work it up, from the bottom. In fact, I may break this in half even, yet again. And again, we're just trying to fill up this void to where, you know, bugs and other things don't access the structure, and also keep out any cold air. And you can just kind of, get it in place and just start to press it in, and it'll conform, or it'll form, to the opening, just like that. And just kind of make it too, to where if it was raining out here and water was running down this wall, that it doesn't, drip and run and go inside of this opening right here. So we're just going to continue to work some pieces up in there like this until we get this, completely sealed up, or the way we like it, kind of like that. Just work it all around. And I'm going to pinch off another little piece and come back over here on this side, and I'm going to work it in at the top, because again, I'm trying to make it to where rainwater and stuff like that doesn't, flow down into this area. Excuse me. And this may, help give you peace of mind too, where you're stopping an access point for bugs, maybe ants and things like that, from getting in your home. So I think we're going to call that one done. And we're going to walk around this structure and see if there are any more voids like this that you know, can fill up and help improve efficiency around your home or rental property or whatever it is that you may have.